And more breaking news coming in. This is the latest as far as the Mansukh Hiren murder case is concerned. A crucial CCTV footage has surfaced that Mansukh Hiren was the man linked with the gelatin-laden SUV car who met Waze on the 17th of February. In the CCTV footage, arrested cop Sachin Waze is seen in a Mercedes, and later Mansukh Hiren also joins him. So this is new CCTV footage that has now come to light in this entire case, which shows that Mansukh Hiren and Sachin Waze actually met on the 17th of February. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. Remember, Mansukh Hiren, in fact, is the man linked with the gelatin-laden SUV car who was murdered as well. And he, we understand from the CCTV footage, met Waze on the 17th of February. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. This is accused Waze, who's being seen with Mansukh Hiren. Remember, even Mansukh Hiren's wife, right in the beginning, had said that Mansukh Hiren and Sachin Waze knew each other even earlier. And of course, now Sachin Waze has also been arrested. Mansukh Hiren murder case is also being probed as we speak as well. And this is now the latest CCTV footage that has emerged. Sandhya joining us for more on this. Sandhya, if you can take us through the significance of this CCTV footage and the timeline here.
So before this, Mirror now got this information for our viewers that it was Sachin Waze who actually, according to Maharashtra ATS, Sachin Waze met Mansukh Hiren on 17th of February. The meeting took place in a vehicle, in a car on CST signal. And Maharashtra ATS believed that during that 10 minutes meeting, Mansukh Hiren actually handed over the keys of the Scorpio to Sachin Waze. Now, Maharashtra ATS has accessed some CCTV footage as well to support their finding. In this CCTV footage, we can see that Mansukh Hiren is actually, there's a vehicle on CCTV, on CST signal, and Mansukh Hiren is actually seen walking towards that vehicle and then getting inside that vehicle. So Maharashtra ATS has now accessed this, before Maharashtra ATS actually handed over the case to NIA, Maharashtra ATS got this CCTV footage to support its finding. This shows that not only Sachin Waze knew Mansukh Hiren from before the case was actually filed, but he actually had the possession of the Scorpio, which was found abandoned outside Antilia with gelatin sticks in it. And that also shows the other findings of ATS that Mansukh Hiren was aware of what Sachin Waze was doing. He himself handed over the keys to Sachin Waze. Then Sachin Waze asked him to surrender and take the responsibility and assured that he's going to get him outside. And then Sachin Waze made him go to the lawyer and get that letter typed. And after that, he allegedly got him murdered. So now, one after the other, ATS is actually, these kind of information is coming where ATS's findings are being supported by either CCTV cameras or call logs or other entry registers where certain people went and met Waze in CP office. Avni.
All right, Sandhya, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.